Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Monster Hunter Wilds game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and now just type in Monster Hunter Wilds to begin your search. Once you find this game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can also play a demo version if you wish by clicking on the download button. After choosing your edition, click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then simply enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and after you complete your payment, the game will be added to your library. After this, you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Monster Hunter Wilds game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Monster Hunter Wilds. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.